Imagine a world where your morning wake-up call comes from a stranger tapping on your window with a long stick. Welcome to the 19th century, where knocker-ups roamed the streets to rouse workers before the advent of alarm clocks. These human alarms were a common sight in industrial towns across Britain and Ireland, ensuring factory workers made it to their early shifts. Armed with long bamboo poles or pea shooters, they would tap on bedroom windows or blow dried peas to get the job done, all for a few pence a week. Some used soft hammers or even rattles to produce the desired effect without breaking glass. The role was so essential that knocker-ups built a reputation for punctuality, often having to wake up earlier than their clients to cover their rounds. This peculiar profession quietly faded away as technology advanced, leaving behind a quirky chapter of history that reminds us of humanity's relentless ingenuity in meeting everyday needs.